Hi, welcome to Mission Garden at the base of Chukchon, also known as Sentinel Peak here in Tucson. It's March 2023 and it's so beautiful. The peaches are blooming around us. But today I actually want to talk about a citrus fruit, sometimes underappreciated citrus fruit that's planted here in this region because it's so hardy, and it's called the sour orange or the Seville orange. Let's go take a look at the tree. So citrus is native to and originates in southern China and Malaysia. The Chinese domesticated this fruit, and it's actually a cross between a mandarin and a pomelo, two very, very old native varieties of citrus. It was brought to the Middle East, made its way to the Mediterranean, and was celebrated there, included in so many of these wonderful foods in that region and Moorish cultures. And then the Spanish actually brought the Seville orange and other citrus to this region in the mid 1700s. This is the tree behind me. They're very tall. They're relatively drought tolerant for citrus. They're very hardy trees, so they've survived freezes well. So back to the eating. I learned from Barbara Eisworth of Ishkashita Refugee Network that the recipes, these traditional Middle Eastern recipes, called for sour or Seville orange, but many places in the US it was really hard to find sour orange, and so they started substituting lemon. And so we've sort of lost our familiarity and use of the Seville or sour orange. So I'd like to challenge you to try it, enjoy it. It's a wonderful flavor. It's more complex than lemon. You can use it anywhere that a recipe calls for lemon. Try it in marinades, in braises, in chutneys, in cocktails or mocktails, and of course the wonderful marmalade recipe calls for Seville or sour oranges. You can also just cut it and put it into fizzy water and have a wonderful spritzer to cool off in the warm season. So enjoy a new fruit called the Seville or sour orange.